In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create 2 columns of text in Canva. By the end, you'll know 3 reliable ways to build clean, professional columns, so you can pick the one that fits your project and your pace. Let's start with the fastest method. Using the magic slash, click anywhere on your design canvas to make sure it's active. On your keyboard, press the / key to open the magic menu. In the search bar that appears, type the word columns. Then choose the 2 columns option from the list. Canva will instantly create a 2-column layout for you. Paste or type your text directly into the new column blocks. This is perfect when you want speed and a tidy layout without fuss. If you notice your text running long, you can quickly adjust the text box size or tweak line spacing to keep everything balanced and easy to read. If alignment is your top priority, try using tables. Head to the Elements tab on the left sidebar. In the search field, type table and select a 3-column table. Drag the table so it roughly matches the size of your page or the area where your text will live. Now, to turn it into 2 columns, select a column at the edge. Click the 3 dots menu and delete it. You can repeat that same action on any extra rows or columns you don't need, keeping just the 2-column structure. Add your text into the cells, 1 column at a time. When you are happy with placement, remove the visible grid lines by setting the border weight to 0. You'll keep the precise alignment benefits of a table while presenting clean. Borderless text. For complete manual control, use text boxes. Press the T key to drop in a fresh text box. Then type or paste your content. Resize that box so it covers about half the page on the left. Duplicate it with Ctrl or Command+D, drag the copy to the right side and add your second column of text. As you position them, rely on Canva's snap to grid guidelines to line up edges and maintain even spacing between columns. This approach is great when you want flexibility over exact placement, margins, or unique layouts. Whichever method you choose, keep an eye on readability. Aim for consistent font size, comfortable line spacing, and generous margins so your columns look intentional and polished. That's all you need to create clean 2-column text in Canva quickly and confidently. Thanks for watching.